Asana is a powerful project management tool widely known for its robust features and simple user interface. It's a platform that many businesses, including my own, rely on, and their Forms feature is one straightforward method to collect data and funnel it directly into your projects. However, a common question you'll find asked frequently online is, can Asana create multi-step forms? Well, as of time of recording, the answer is no. Asana doesn't support multi-step forms. And when it comes to their Forms feature, users also report fairly limited styling or customization, limited conditional logic, and a lack of field types for more complex data tasks. However, there are a few ways to achieve multi-step forms in Asana, which is where this video comes in. Look, if you wish, you can still build a basic form within Asana as long as you accept its limitations. You can even use its branching logic to mimic a multi-step form, albeit without the smooth transitions and intuitive design of a real one, neither of which are things we'd recommend that you do. What we'd instead recommend is using a form builder to create that stunning multi-step form and then send that data from the form directly to Asana. My name's Colin, there are timestamps in this video if you want to skip ahead, otherwise let's jump right in. The goal here then is to create an engaging multi-step form that both looks great but also is capable of sending the leads collected straight over to Asana. To do this, we're going to use Growform. If you want to follow this tutorial along, they offer a 14-day free trial which only needs your email address, put that credit card away, and the link to that is in the video description for your convenience. As an intro for new users, Growform is a popular multi-step form builder of choice for businesses and individuals around the world because it's been designed to help get you more leads from the same traffic, and will highlight some of its many great features throughout the rest of this video. Alright, so you've signed up to Growform and you are on the home page. From there, you'll want to click on Create New Form in the top left to start building your multi-step form for Asana. Next, it's really up to you. You can choose one of these templates or start from scratch. As you can see, Growform offers a wide variety of pre-built form templates to help get you started. For today's purposes, I am going to select a template that best fits my needs. And just like that, we are in a great position already. Now it's time to customize to your heart's content. Get creative. It's something I really like about Growform. The design is completely up to you. In the top left corner, we can use the drop-down menu to look at our steps, reorder some, add some conditional logic if we want. On the right, there's the theme settings, and that means the design, the colors, they match our branding or your branding, which will make your marketing colleagues very happy. I know that from experience. Once you're satisfied, we can make your multi-step form go live in Growform by clicking Save in the top right. Of course, you can keep playing around with this until you're fully ready, but if you're set, let's head to the next step. So now that we've built our form, we need to grab the embed code that lets us place it on our landing page or website. First, let's grab that embed code given to us by Growform. To do that, you want to head to Share Form, which is at the top, and then click on that first option. It will open up the embed code, which we'll copy. You'll now need to paste that code into your landing page or your website builder's custom HTML area. Often your landing page builder will provide a widget or a tool that allows for custom HTML. Here's my one from WordPress. Paste it in and save your changes, or click update if you're in WordPress. Growform has loads of specific guides for different builders if you need it. And just like that, our embed code is in our WordPress site. I've previewed it, it's looking good. We've got our live multi-step form in place. This step is crucial but often overlooked. Your form may be complete, but we have to check that it is working properly. To do that, you'll want to complete this form as any regular user would. That looks something like this for me. And then, to ensure that the submission has indeed arrived successfully, we're going to head back to Growform and check. You can click on View Leads at the top, and we can see our form is working perfectly. Thanks, James. Okay, so we've created our form, embedded it, tested it. The lead has come through to Growform successfully. The final step then is to send this data to Asana. To do that, we're going to use Zapier. If you're new to Zapier, it's basically a digital glue that holds thousands of online platforms and third parties together. If you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create one. Thankfully, it does also come with a 14-day free trial, and it allows for 100 leads per month with a free account. Always a bonus. Once you've signed up or signed in to Zapier, open up the dashboard and let's connect Growform with Asana. To do that, click on Create in the top left, followed by News App, and then once this page opens, click on Trigger, search for Growform, and there it is. From here, trigger event is new form submission. My Growform account is already connected to Zapier. If though you're yet to do that, it's dead easy. Simply sign in and give Zapier permission. Next, we're going to configure Zapier so it knows exactly what to send to Asana. Here, find the form you've been working on. Here's my one, and then click Test Trigger. And just like that, there is the test lead from 007 I submitted earlier. We are halfway there. The final piece of this puzzle is now to do the same with Asana. Connect it to Zapier and choose the data it's going to receive. On the action step, search for Asana and then connect your account, which I was yet to do this time, grant permission, and we're all set. Under Choose an Event, what happens is really up to you. I've gone for Create Task. After you hit continue, choose the workspace, the project, and simply fill out these fields as needed. What you're telling Zapier here is what form data to send, as you can see here, and where to send it. Once you've filled out the key details, for me that's things like date submitted, the email address, hit continue, and let's see if this has worked. All looks good to me, so let's go for a test. And just like that, we have successfully sent this form to Asana. How do I know it's worked? All you need to look for is the created at tag, which shows me this was successful. Hit publish, and just like that, our Zap is live. If you head to your Asana account and don't see anything right away, don't fear. There's always a slight delay in receiving tasks on Zapier's lower tier accounts. Their software checks basically every 15 minutes if you've received any new form submissions, rather than checking constantly. However, if you do need this to be much faster, Zapier does have plans that allows for checks every 60 seconds. And that, my friends, was how to create a multi-step form for Asana. And that was a whirlwind tutorial if ever I've made one. I trust you followed this step by step, but if there is anything still unclear, please put it in the comments and someone from the team will get back to you. And while you're down there, click like and subscribe. We've made great strides in the last few months and we're round about the 100 subscriber mark. So help us continue to grow and continue to make videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure I will see you again down the road. Bye-bye.